Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, towards the end of last year, at the end of December, I posted letting you know about an official known issue that Microsoft had listed on their Known Issues Health dashboard page, where KB5044284, which was the October Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11 24H2, and KB5046617, which was the November Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11 24H2, was causing new updates to fail for some users, and Microsoft had provided a workaround. And as mentioned in that video, which will be linked down below and in the end screen, Microsoft had confirmed that issues might occur with media which installs the October or the November 2024 updates. Now go check that video out if you'd like some more information, because it's quite a confusing issue. But my reason for mentioning that previous video and the actual known issue is because over on Microsoft's Known Issues Health dashboard page, Microsoft has now actually listed this issue as resolved without actually resolving it. And my reason for saying that is because the original workaround that Microsoft provided, which was mentioned in that video, has just now been reworked as the resolution for this issue. So this is all confusing, but nonetheless, this is what the resolution is. Microsoft has said, to prevent this issue, do not install Windows 11 version 24H2 using media that installs the October 2024 or November 2024 security updates, which, as mentioned, was this update and this update. They carry on to say, if a device becomes unable to receive further updates as a result of this issue, it can be remediated by reinstalling Windows 11 version 24H2 using media which instead includes the December 2024 monthly security update released December 10th, 2024 or later. So popping over to Windows Update again. So that would be this update, KB5048667. So if you are using media to install Windows 11 version 24H2, that's the update you need to have on that media if you want a successful installation without any issues. So that's the long and the short of it. This is quite a confusing actual problem, and Microsoft has actually resolved it without resolving the issue. But just on a side note, Microsoft has clarified that the problem does not occur, as I mentioned previously, when the installation is done via Windows Update, so that would be a Windows Update page, or the Update Catalog website. Now, this is all very confusing, I know, but nonetheless, just putting it out there to try and keep you guys posted. Go check the previous video out, because it will fill in all the blanks for this video, but nonetheless, Microsoft says the issue is resolved without actually resolving the issue. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.